Hello all, Simon Toohey here, brand ambassador for Dilmah tea, and today I'm taking you through a really perfect cocktail. What I'm going to do is a twist on a classic, the hot toddy. But in this instance, I'll be using Dilmah's Moroccan mint and green tea. Come with me, I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm going to start by getting 2 tea bags of that Dilmah Moroccan mint and green tea and placing it in my teapot. I'm then going to add 2 heaped dessert spoons of brown sugar. This is the sweetness element, obviously, for this cocktail, which we balanced with other ingredients. I'm then going to add my whiskey. I use Jameson whiskey in this instance because for me, a toddy always reminds you of that Irish whiskey. And Irish whiskey, to me, is Jameson's. I add 60 mils of whiskey on top of my sugar, and that's going to help infuse with the tea. It's not going to take too much flavor from that Dilmah Moroccan mint and green tea at the moment, because we're going to add hot water later on, and that will be the infusion we're after. If you've ever had Moroccan mint tea, you'll actually realize that mint is the #1 flavor, and so therefore it takes in a lot of it. I'm going to get 6 sprigs of mint, take the leaves off those, and put them in my pot. Not only that, I'm going to balance out the sugars that I put in there as well. And so I'm going to add 2 wedges of lemon, squeeze them, and then put them in. And then finally, to finish it off, I'm going to add what I like to call now the toddy part, the hot water, the thing that makes it warming and delicious on a beautiful winter's day in Australia. Now the Dilmah Moroccan mint and green tea asks for a 2-minute steeping time, and I'm going to do exactly that. I do not want to over extract the flavors from this tea, as the quality is at the highest. And so if I over extract, the bitter flavors will come through, and that's not what I want. After 2 minutes, I take the tea bags out, put them to the side. Cut another wedge of lemon and a couple of sprigs of mint and put them in your teacup, because that's just going to add a little bit more flavor. Finally, stir around the pot, agitate the sugar, make sure it's all dissolved, and then pour that into your cup. Get those aromats moving together. This beautiful Dilmah Moroccan mint and green tea toddy is perfect for a cold day. And you know what? I'd have it on a hot day too, it doesn't matter. This is a beautiful cocktail using Dilmah tea.